guys, and welcome back to another Target beauty box unboxing. This one is the October men's box. I can tell smelling the outside of it, it's definitely the men's box. It smells manly, and not in a good way this time. I'm hoping the stuff inside is not where that scent's coming from, because it kind of smells like tobacco, and I'm like, ew, no. But the box itself is really pretty. I am in love with that box. Blue is my favorite color, so I'm just like, ooh, good work, guys. I like it. So, oh, okay. So the past couple of Target beauty boxes have not had the tinted or the colored paper, but this one does. It's like really dark navy. It kind of looks black on camera, but it's not. So here's our little card that's got the stuff on the back. Moving and grooming. When you're a man on the move, grooming can be a hassle. To make your life simple, we did the dirty work for you. Here are the essentials that make looking good easy and effortless. Your skin, hair, and beard will thank us, and so will you. And then it has the usual try them out if you love them as much as we do. Find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. Blah, blah, blah. Hashtags, blah, blah, blah. Let's get into it. What the hell? Okay, so this may be what I'm smelling. Let's open it a little to see. No, that's not it. Okay, actually those smell good. Alright, well, I take that back. These are Dove Men & Care deodorant wipes. With moisturizers for comfort, for active and fresh. Actually, that smells like really good. Yeah, here's what it looks like, and they basically just feel like baby wipes through the package, but I guess they're for your pits. But I'm like, oh, okay, that's kind of cool. New Stay Fresh on the Go. For fresh and comfortable underarms, Dove Men Care deodorant, or Men Plus Care deodorant wipes are great for those I need a shower moments. With one easy swipe, damn, I should have taken these to Arizona. With one easy swipe, help wipe away odor and leave yourself with a fresh scent, perfect for pre and post workouts to refresh during busy days, or to throw into your travel carry-on. Like I said, non-irritant, 0% alcohol, formulated to care for your skin. I'm not seeing. This may not have the usual aluminum in it. So I'm kind of like, are these safe for the area where your leg meets your groin, like when you sweat there? Because I'm like, if that's a thing, guys, oh my god, that's a game changer. Yeah, TMI, totally gross. But this is a men's box, and men can be kind of gross. So you know what? I know I'm not a man, but I am a human, and humans can be kind of gross. So just a thought. Just a freaking thought. When you're like a not as normal person who doesn't really sweat much under the arms, but you do from the crease in your leg. Just saying. I'm like, that could be a game changer. What is dinging on my phone again? Let's look. If it'll open. Come on, you. Alrighty. Let me respond really quick. Whoa. The hell was that? Why can I not type? Oh my god. Okay. 5 times to type one word. Not even joking. I really suck at typing on a touchscreen. Like, no effing joke. Anyone who's ever, like, chatted with me while I'm on my phone will attest to this, that I'm the slowest texter ever. Oh my god. Okay, come on, off! Alright. My phone's also a piece of shit, so it doesn't help. So let's see here. What does it say? Dove Men Plus Care Active Fresh on the Go deodorant wipes. Instantly wipes away odor, whenever, wherever, so you can feel fresh even on the go. Tip, doubles as a body wipe. Apply across your neck or chest as needed for an instant refresher. Neck and chest, sure, but, like I said, I think somewhere else could probably have it be used too. Okay, they have definitely had this one in a box before, because I actually have one of the travel size, or the sample size of this from last time open right now. But this is the Head & Shoulders 2-in-1 Men Advanced Series Pure Sport with Old Spice. Actually smells really good. I like this one a lot, personally. So, let's see here. Head & Shoulders Old Spice 2-in-1 shampoo, 2-in-1 formula, fights dandruff and nourishes the scalp so your mane is flake-free. Literally all it says about it. Okay, well, can definitely use it, so I'm not complaining. What is this? Ooh, it's Suave. Oh. Oh, it's one of these. See, why don't they market shit like this for women? I only see it for guys because they assume men are lazy. I'm like, you know what? There's plenty of women like myself who are lazy. Men 3-in-1 Citrus Rush shampoo plus conditioner plus body wash. Salon proven to clean hair as well as American Crew 3-in-1. 3-in-1 Citrus Rush. Let's undo this because I want to smell it. I think it smells really good. Come on. Alright. It's not like super scented, but what is there is kind of nice. I like that. 3-in-1 Citrus Rush, head to toe cleansing made specifically for men's hair and body. Refreshing all-in-one formula made specifically for men's hair and body, wet hair and body, lather and rinse. Like I said, don't see myself going out of the way to buy like the full size of it, but for real, women like these kind of products too. You should market some for ladies because we would buy them. Suave Men in 3-in-1 Men 3-in-1 Citrus Rush shampoo plus conditioner and body wash. 3-in-1 formula cleans and conditions your hair and body in just one simple step. Yeah, literally what it said on the bottle. Tells us nothing. Now these I don't know that I would be able to use. These may have to be gifted. They're the Art of Shaving. Oh, this I think is what I'm smelling. Ew. Oh, yeah, I think it is. Pre-shave oil, unscented. Oh, actually it's unscented. I guess it's not this one. Step 2 is lather up and shave shaving cream. And then you moisturize with aftershave balm. I can use that shit on my legs, like no joke. Although, all the peach fuzz I get going on here, maybe I should shave my damn face. Just saying. Again, I have no shame on this channel. I will say whatever, whenever, because I don't care, and I know I'm not the only one who lives it, so, whatever. The Art of Shaving, unscented pre-shave oil, shaving cream, and aftershave balm. Collection of shaving essentials is formulated with botanical ingredients and essential oils that soften the beard for a close, comfortable shave and leave skin feeling smooth and moisturized. Trick to achieve a perfect even shave, use light, gentle strokes letting your razor do the work. Oh, this might be what I'm smelling. If it is, I don't think I'll be using it. Ew. Pretty sure it's that. This is the Bandito Chill-A-Minute or 30 Cream Mask. Balancing mask helps minimize the appearance of pores to reveal an even complexion. How to smooth onto clean skin, let sit for 20 minutes, and rinse off with warm water. If this is literally just cream in there, I bet you can get more than one use out of it. But if I can't tolerate that scent, then I'll have to, like, vacuum seal that shit and be like, here, somebody take it. I knew there had to be something in there that was smelling that bad. And similarly, I feel like this has also been given out before. Or a very similar one. This is the Crest Pro Health Gum and Sensitivity. All-day protection with soft mint. The more I think about it, maybe it wasn't this exact one. I think the one in the last men's box was the Gum Detoxify, which is slightly different. But they sure do like Crest here. Crest Gum and Sensitivity All-Day Protection. Specialized formula neutralizes harmful plaque bacteria at the gum line and provides effective sensitivity relief within days. Psst. Brush teeth twice daily for extra protection. Tell me guys are not just brushing their teeth once a day, cause... Ew. Like, seriously guys. If that's you, ew, do it more often than that. Your teeth will thank you. But yeah, that's it for this box. I'm surprised there's so little in it. I guess because the stuff in there is bigger, it costs more for them to put it in, so I can't afford to put as much in. But what is there is generally fairly good quality, so I can't complain too hard. Most of it I'll at least give a shot. I mean, I know there's definitely stuff in there that is usable for me, and I like the small little travel size stuff, even when it's the guy stuff, I don't care. So anyways, that is it for this one. So as usual, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Are you a chick who uses the stuff in the dude boxes or just dude products in general? Did you guys buy this box? What was your favorite thing in the box? Let me know all of that or anything, all about anything down below. Make sure you're following my social media account, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating and earn yourself a donator perk. So, anyways, in case nobody has said it to you today and you need to hear it, I love you and I am proud of you. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.